Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is sliding door flower coolers. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like 47.5 inches. And the widest part of the depth about like 28 and 1/4 inches deep. Overall height of the unit is about like 80 and 1/4 inches. So we can see they do have a top banners here. You can change to any pictures you like to put in here, just making sure the size is correct. And also we do having the switchers on the side, control the lighting boards. And also the unit is designed with the sliding doors. And we can fill in the units when you opened it. They can softly to closing back. Also they do having the lockers in the centers. And when we open the inner side, we can see they have a big circulating fan on top of it, and they have all the water drains connect with the back to the bottoms. And the inner side dimensions, it is about like 20 inches deep and the 43 inches in the length. For this has the clearance, it is about like 48 inches tall total. And when we see the inner side, we can see they come in with the full shelvings on each of the door side. Looking the bottoms, we come in with the Dixel controllers right here. You can set in the temperature starting from the 33 degrees to the 51 degrees. When we look in the behind of the units, we can see they do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it. And also they do having the standard 110 plugs and all the cost sheets information on the stickers too. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.